Welcome back to Car Recap Hub, your ultimate destination for the world's most powerful machines. Today, we dive into the mind-blowing Koenigsegg Jesko Absolut 2025, the Swedish hypercar that's rewriting the rules of speed. Transition sound. The Jesko Absolut isn't just fast, it's engineered to be the fastest Koenigsegg ever made. With a target top speed over 330 miles per hour, it's not built for the track. It's built for forever forward motion on the cleanest stretches of asphalt this planet can offer. Let's talk numbers. Under the hood, or rather, under that sleek carbon fiber skin, is a 5.0L twin-turbo V8 producing a ridiculous 1,600 horsepower when fueled with E85. Pair that with the world-first 9-speed light-speed transmission, and you're looking at shifts so quick, you can't blink fast enough. Subtle whoosh SFX. But speed isn't the only story here. The Jesko Absolut has been redesigned aerodynamically with a smooth tail section, minimal drag, and no massive rear wing. It's all about one thing: going faster than anything else on the road. Inside, you'll find Swedish luxury meets spaceship controls. A compact smart cluster screen on the steering wheel rotates as you turn, ensuring you never miss your data. Add to that lightweight materials, Alcantara-wrapped racing seats, and just enough comfort to keep you focused on the road ahead, or what's left behind. Engine rev sound effect. Now let's get real, this car isn't for everyone. Only a select few Jesko Absoluts will ever exist. Each one is a mechanical masterpiece, a symbol of Koenigsegg's relentless drive to shatter expectations. So if you're not just chasing speed but craving a piece of automotive history, the Koenigsegg Jesko Absolut 2025 might just be your holy grail. Thanks for watching another power-packed episode on Car Recap Hub. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, would you dare to drive the fastest Koenigsegg ever built?